To add transaction information about our activity, please select Transaction under the subheading Financial. This will take you into the Transactions page. Click on Add New Transaction. If your activity has a humanitarian focus, you can select Yes. If not, please click No. Here you'll see the transaction type code is a core field that we must fill in, as it has a red star next to it. Please select from one of the following options. Incoming, which is the payment received from the funder or provider for the activity. Commitment, which is the obligation by the donor or provider to provide the specified amount of funds. Disbursement, which is the payment made to implementing partner organizations. Or expenditure, money spent on the goods or the services. For the purposes of our activity, we are going to record the commitment that was made by the funder. The transaction date for this is a month before the project began. Our project began in March, so we will note it down as being February 2017. The value amounts will be numerical. The commitment that was made was £1.5 million. The value date for this was the date in which the transaction was recorded as. If our currency is different to the core currency we have stated in our settings, then we can change it here. We can use the description box to write down what our commitment is about. To add more information about our transaction, here we can click on Provider Organization. Should we know the organization identifier code, we can type it in here. As our commitment has been from DFID, we can type in gb/gov.1. The provider organization type is government, and we can record it here. If you know the provider activity ID, you can select it here. If not, you do not have to type anything. As we are receiving the commitment, we can write in our organization identifier code here, which is GB-CHC123456. As we are aware of our receiver activity ID, we can type it in here. Our type of organization is International NGO. Once we are happy with this, we can select Save, and our transaction will go through. Our transaction has been recorded.